The 5 Languages of Love for Business. Gary Chapman's theory of the 5 love languages suggests there are 5 ways in which couples show love to each other. Receiving gifts, words of affirmation, acts of service, physical touch, quality time. However, what makes one person feel appreciated doesn't necessarily cut it for another. Just because you've sent your girlfriend chocolates when really all she wants is for you to spend more time with her on an evening won't meet her ideal of love. Chapman explains that learning to understand what type of love your partner wants to receive is the key to a happy relationship. So, how can we transfer the principles of love languages into the workplace? It all comes down to appreciation. 70% of employees say they don't receive positive praise in the workplace, leading them to feel undervalued and demotivated. However, more and more companies are beginning to motivate their staff through appreciation, which in turn encourages individuals to be more likely to reach their potential, becoming more committed to their company and achieve a higher level of job satisfaction. Implementing a workplace where the principles of the 5 languages of appreciation can transform the climate of your workplace, making it a place for your team to thrive in an enjoyable work environment. Ensuring you're making the effort to make your team feel appreciated doesn't mean spending a lot of money or doing it every day. You need to learn how to express meaningful, authentic appreciation effectively. Learn the appreciation language of your employees and speak it. Whether this is just a quick thanks as you pass by their desk, a simple well done over email, or grabbing them a coffee on your way into the office, a positive response to a job well done goes a long way in creating a more satisfied and happier team. How could you ensure that you're speaking the 5 languages of appreciation in your workplace?